English to Malay. I need equals.
Saya perlu.
Fast travel requests. Welcome. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your friendly guide to languages. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and freebies. Today, you'll master the core request phrase in Malay. I need equals.
Saya perlu.
Think of it as your polite key to unlock help when traveling. Your goal today. By the end, you'll be able to ask for exactly what you need, clearly and politely. I need water equals.
Saya perlu air.
I need help equals.
Saya perlu bantuan.
I need time equals.
Saya perlu masa.
I need a map equals.
Saya perlu peta.
I need information equals.
Saya perlu maklumat.
Rhythm trick. Let's lock in the sound with a quick beat, simple and memorable. Clap it. Sa ya, clap, perlu, clap, then pause.
Saya perlu.
Say it smoothly.
Saya perlu.
Now finish with a noun.
Kain. Bantuan. Mersa. Peda. Maklumat.
Mini dialogue. Listen, then shadow the lines. You've got this. You, excuse me.
Saya perlu.
Bantuan. Clerk, bake, apa yang anda perlukan? You.
Saya perlu.
Pita bunder. Clerk, ini.
Peda.
Sama-sama. Culture tip. Stay kind and clear. Malaysian service culture appreciates it. At a cafe, I need sugar, please, equals.
Saya perlu gula pelong.
At a hawker center, start with
Saya perlu.
and add
Tidur.
tissue or
Kain.
water. Polite tone plus smile equals bonus points. Drills. Call and response time. Say it out loud. Say in Malay, I need water. Answer.
Saya perlu air.
Say in Malay, I need help. Answer.
Saya perlu bantuan.
Say in Malay, I need time. Answer.
Saya perlu masa.
Say in Malay, I need a map. Answer.
Saya perlu peta.
Say in Malay, I need information. Answer.
Saya perlu maklumat.
Add purpose. I need to buy a ticket. Answer.
Saya perlu untuk membeli tiket.
Opposite idea. I don't need equals.
Saya tidak perlu.
Memory hooks. Lock it in with quick, goofy memory tricks. Mnemonic. Perlu sounds like perlu. Think, I need a pearl.
Saya perlu.
Gesture. Hand on chest for I. Extend the other hand to request and say.
Saya perlu.
Loci. On your front door, imagine a glowing sign.
Saya perlu.
Fill in the blank each time you pass. Metaphor.
Saya perlu.
Is the key that opens any shop, cafe, or station door. Quick quiz. Answer fast, then I'll confirm. Q. How do you start a polite request in Malay? A.
Saya perlu.
Q. True or false?
Saya perlu.
Means exactly the same as I must. A. False. Q. Translate. I need water. A.
Saya perlu air.
Q. Complete it. I need information. A.
Saya perlu maklumat.
Challenge mode. Ready for a speed round? You're in charge now. Role play. You're at the info desk. Begin with.
Saya perlu.
And ask for.
Tidak.
Chain 3. Water, help, time. Say.
Saya perlu air, saya perlu bantuan, saya perlu masa.
Cafe line. Say, I need sugar, please. Answer.
Saya perlu gula, tolong.
Lost in town. I need information. Answer.
Saya perlu maklumat.
Wrap up. Nice work, your request game just leveled up. Today's superpower, I need, equals.
Saya perlu.
Add nouns like.
Kain. Bantuan. Masa. Tidak. Maklumat.
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing daily, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, drills, and printable cheat sheets from Synapse Lingo. See you next time.